Alright, boys. I'm gonna show you how to drunk news, how to fix shit. I'm gonna show you how to clean the terminals of your battery when they're all dirty. Fuck's sakes. First, make sure you don't hit the car next to you, because then your neighbor will be really pissed off that you scratched his car, and that we don't want that. You know, you gotta put the hook up, get your fucking thing on. Look onto it. Oh man, that is bad. All right, let's hit this motherfucker with a wire brush. You know, you probably really should take the terminals off when you're doing this, but it's fucking freezing out, and I don't feel like doing it, so fuck off. Oh, look how much cleaner it is. That's good. That's good until we take it off, I think. Oh yeah, don't breathe this shit in either. Oh, tastes like shit. Alright. Call her a fucking day. Clean the brush off. And that's how we clean dirty corrosive battery cables, whatever things are called, because I'm too lazy to do it because I drank too goddamn much, and you know, nobody does it for me. So later.